What's up? Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we are in Long Beach for my buddy Verone's Slantback Social. We are absolutely late. I went to go buy a truck right now. They closed off the road, so it looks like they got a full house, which is nice. Let's go and see how the gathering's going. What's up, bros?
What's up, Drew?
Oh, what's up, Mike? Good to see you. Hey!
How are you?
What's up, youngster?
Good to see you.
Good seeing you always.
All right, man.
Hi, good seeing you. Great. What a great venue. Where's Verone? Is he here? Robbie! What's up, bro? Oh my gosh! Alright, this is the perfect opportunity to walk around because everyone's over there looking at the Pagani, which is also beautiful, but we're a 911 channel, so that's what we're covering, 911. So that's Sid's car right there, looking nice and clean. Bro, you're late. You gotta go home. Boys gotta represent. Yeah! Looking fresh in that gold, baby. There's an orange paint sample. I think that one's owned by James. Hopefully I'll have this one in 5 years. Right there. Well, of course, wife's gonna approve.
What?
If it helps, it's easier to find than a Toyota Tacoma.
That's definitely true. But hey, my Tacoma has 29,943 miles.
And it's
as a
white.
1997, and it's white.
And it's a V6.
And it's a V6.
And it's manual.
Damn, this one's clean. How many miles does this one have?
102. Clean, baby.
It looks super clean.
So I can be like young Drew.
Hey,
I want to be like young Drew.
are you gonna get one?
Grand Prix white, baby. Let's do it.
Dude, look at this. That's pretty tough to beat, man. It's super clean. This paint is super clean.
I get a car, Drew calls me and tells me I got a customer for it.
Here's the plug, man.
Drew, thank you for all your support. We love 911 Cooled. We love Manly Eats. Check it out. I'm sure you guys are going to be eating at some of these awesome restaurants here at The Streets, downtown Long Beach, the newest development down here.
So check this out right here. I haven't really walked around this yet. This long hood is super mint. I think my wife's liking this one because it's got really thick tires. And
It's smooth, right?
is it a smooth ride? I don't know. We need to find the owner. Super nice. Very beautiful. No, say hi. Just say what's up.
What up, dude?
You got the boy Dan's car right here, looking nice and fresh. Dan, who only washes his car with distilled water. You know what time it is. What's up, man? It's been a minute since I've seen you.
I know. I've been hiding from you.
Excuse me, the McLaren over there is being very obnoxious.
Oh yeah.
He doesn't realize it's 911 meat.
Yeah. And I mean, come on. What is that?
I gotta say, of all the Paganis I've seen, normally like I'm not really big into them, but this one is like, oh my god. I get this one.
Yeah.
I get this one.
This one, everything about it. It's so aggressive.
Oh my god.
The carbon weed.
There he is.
Hey. Good to see you.
I wish I could have a beard like you guys.
Good to see you.
I can't do this to save my life right here. I can't do it. Look at this.
It's coming in, I think, yeah.
Look at this.
It's winter. You gotta have the beard.
I can't do it, man. I just forever bear.
This is I'm unemployed. Can't be bothered to trim.
Unemployed, but it's got a beautiful 911. That's true. Adam's hate. He's this life hater.
Such a hater. It's not his idea. Doesn't like it.
Frankly.
He was such a hater even last week when I saw him. It's insane. It's just, I guess we all, every week by week,
Make
we're
my
finding,
choices.
we're
or
making,
don't bother.
we're finding who the real Adam is week by week. Stay tuned for next week. Who's your dog? What's up? I was like, you don't like him?
9/11 cooled, yo.
Yeah. Hi to yourself.
Where's my pie?
Yes, my wife wants her pie. You didn't bring one from Pennsylvania.
What? It got stuck with the Amish.
What do we got here?
We have our burger and burgers. We have a cowboy that has barbecue sauce, cheddar cheese, and bacon and an onion ring.
All right,
You want
well,
to try that out real quick?
Yeah.
Let's do that. And it has some of our burger and fries shaped like a potato chip with a crunch of French fry.
Dang, thank you.
No cowboy here.
Hopefully it tastes good.
You know what
for
they
the cowgirl.
say? Save a horse. We have our classics.
I'm gonna go meet up with Ben. I'll be
Look at this. Booyah. Wow, Bruce, how many miles you got on this?
90,000.
It looks so fresh.
3.5 years. I didn't put 1,500 on it in the last 3.5 years I've owned it.
Calvin, record us for your blog. Record us for your blog. Good seeing you, bro. You're gonna have breakfast? Yo, get Chester up in here. Chester the molester. Don't be molesting no 911, bro.
Yeah, don't do that.
That dude was like, Chester, and then someone said, Chester the molester. And then everyone's like, oh man, that's messed up. I go, I am a molester. You heard it live and direct.
Goodbye, everyone. Thanks for coming out. Sponsored by Verone. I'll see you guys later.
Man, that was a pretty awesome turnout, bro.
Thank you to everyone that came out. We truly, truly appreciate it. You know what? I was worried about being able to pack one block, and then when we hit 2 blocks, 15 minutes before we even started the show, that was unexpected, and we're so grateful and thankful for everyone that came out. For the overflow, we even had to use the top of the parking structure, but
I couldn't make it up there, but I heard it was pretty awesome up there, so.
thank you to everyone that came out. Really means a lot, and hope you guys enjoyed the streets. Brand new development here in Long Beach, and hope you had fun.
That's it, guys.
Thank you. Drew, thank you.
Thank you again.